How to create custom filter for Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create custom filter for Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and search for Snapchat and make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. And if not, then go ahead and update your device further. Now, open the Snapchat application on your device and here, tap on your screen and you will be able to see all the filters in your Snapchat. Now go to the end of the filters and you will see the option for add filters. I do not have this option with me at the moment since it is not available in my country yet. So if you have this option available for you, tap on the add option you see there and you will be able to create your own Snapchat filters and lenses. You can also tap on your Bitmoji and then on the settings option. You will see the option for filters and lenses. Tap on that and here too, you will get the option to create your own Snapchat filters. So you can go ahead and be creative and create a filter of your own. And this is how you can create custom filter for Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.